Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, convenience package, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65R18 on off-road, white outline letter, license plate bracket, front, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.